Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Michael in Kentucky on the Cobra 29. Michael, you stated this radio was not getting out. It was getting out just fine. We did recheck the alignment. We added your blue LED as you requested. Looks kind of purple in the camera, but I assure you it is blue. 5-watt slug, 3-watt carrier, 50-watt slug, average power, low 6 or 7 bird average, peak power, low 25 peak. Alright, Michael, it's ready to go. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.